Hi, this video is aimed to teach you the SQL language in a simple way. In order to follow along with this course, let's prepare our lab and we start with downloading the SQL Lite Studio from the official website. I have provided the SQLite Studio.pl link in the description of this video. After you open the website, you can see the download button. SQLite Studio is a portable and cross-platform software which is very light and does not require installation. So let's click download and it will start downloading the SQLite Studio zip file. After the download has been completed, click on the downloaded file and then extract the content of this folder. Extract to any place on your computer. For example, I'll choose desktop and then let's open it. This is the SQLite Studio folder. After extracting the downloaded file, if I open it, I can see the SQLite Studio exe file, which we can use it to open the SQLite Studio. You can create a shortcut for easy access and put it on your desktop to be available all the time. I will double click the SQLite Studio exe file and it will open the software for me. Before we start working on it, I would like to change some configuration which is related to the view. By default, the font size is very small. We can increase the font size by going to Tools and going to Open Configuration dialog. And from here we go to Look and Feel, expand this, and then we have Fonts. Here you can change the font size of the codes and general appearance of the software to any size that you feel more comfortable with it. The second step is downloading the sample database files. For this, I have uploaded them to my GitHub account. In order to download them, go to this link, which I have provided the link in the description of this video. Here you will see a DB folder. Then go click on the green icon and then click download zip. This will download all the sample database files which we will work on them through this course. After the download has been complete, you can click on the zip file and you can extract it to anywhere on your computer. I will choose desktop, click OK. Then open SQLite Studio again. Then we need to open these database samples inside SQLite Studio. For this, you can click on this icon at a database or press Ctrl O on your keyboard. Then click this folder icon, then choose desktop and then SQLite files and DB and then click one by one and click open. As you see, one of the database has been added. Repeat the same for the rest of the database. After you have successfully loaded the database files, it's time to connect to them. It is very simple. You just double click on them, it will be connected. Double click each of them. This will connect the SQLite Studio to the database. And from this drop down box, you can select that database that you want to work on it. This way we prepared our environment and we are ready to go. So see you in my next video.